A bridge between past and future. Here in the new headquarters in Villa Santa, the story continues. Tecnoidea has been designing and manufacturing water purification and sludge treatment plants for 40 years. And today it is a leading company in the sector. Born in 1981 from an idea of Francesco Parolini and Fernando Cassi, Tecnoidea, with its two historic plants in Monza and Segrate, has installed over 3,000 systems worldwide.
It has always been this passion of wanting to do something by working for yourself on a high potential business.
It is a story of a company driven by the innate ability to anticipate the market and innovate with the aim of creating its own product.
I don't know if I should consider myself a pioneer, but we are curious people.
Pioneers yesterday and pioneers today of sustainability. When that term was still somewhat abstract, Tecnoidea was born in a historical context of great entrepreneurial ferment.
Working in the field of marble and granite, which involved process waters, we immediately had requests relating to water purification.
With the start of production of the closed-cycle water recovery plants, the market added a second demand, sludge treatment, which is the true core business of Tecnoidea today.
This machine is called a plate filter press, and it transforms sludge from a liquid to a solid.
A story made of continuity and thirst for innovation, where growth was a natural consequence. In 2018, the incorporation of Abrepompe consolidated the company's advantage on its market thanks to the internal production of anti-abrasive centrifugal pumps. With the products evolving technologically, the sectors of application have gradually expanded. From mining and carrying to stone and agglomerate processing, from drilling to ceramics, glass, bricks, land reclamation, cement water and waste recovery. Today, Tecnoidea is a small and medium-sized enterprise in full transformation, from an artisan to an industrial company, with a generational transition on the way from father to son.
I have two children, and I think Tecnoidea is a bit like a third one, another creature that is a company in which I've always been a protagonist, but I have always believed that it could go on without me.
The inheritance is huge because those who preceded me gave their all to get a good result.
A hereditary continuity of ideas, whose strength is continuous investment and the search for innovative and unconventional solutions.
We have agreements with dedicated studios, with external companies, with the University of Milan to come up with solutions.
The strength of the company is its people.
Field experimentation and investments in research and development form the foundation of Tecnoidea, where human capital is always at the center. Only in this way we can offer the customer a complete service, from design to testing, based on trust and know-how, made possible by the adoption of a short supply chain that guarantees a tailor-made product made in Italy.
The relationship with the customer is the best thing there is.
Each of our plants is like a tailoring product that takes into account that the product you are making is unique.
That is how Tecnoidea has built its reputation in the world, working with a qualified and referenced staff, with a significant market share in Central Europe and a market penetration strategy for the most distant markets that require deep territorial knowledge.
The first thing is to be credible on the market and having good work ethic.
The strategy is that of the continuity of moving forward on these values, which fundamentally place customer satisfaction and results as the #1 priority.
While Tecnoidea is experiencing an important generational transition from the inside, with attention to sustainability being particularly dear to future management, it is the entire business world that is being called to reflect on the future.
Humankind lost in 2020, nature triumphed. This made the company and the market reflect on the importance of the environmental aspect.
Tecnoidea looks ahead with confidence, counting on a well-thought-out development plan.
You take risks, but you always try to grow in a healthy way. So I would like to go along that line of sustainable and targeted growth.